rocket engine parts, chocolate figurines, functional replica pistols, designer sunglasses, a robot, a prototype bionic ear, pizzas. What sounds like something out of a Star Trek, the Starship Replicator could synthesize anything, is increasingly becoming a reality. Indeed, NASA is testing a 3D printer on the International Space Station to see if it might provide a way to fabricate meals, tools, and replacement parts on long missions. Back on the Earth, long-term businesses plans are being reimagined. Airbus envisions that by 2015, entire planes could be built of 3D printed parts. General Electric is already using printers to make full nose tips for jet engines. The Roommaker, a 20 feet tall 3D printer, will create wall, cornices, and roofs, trying out materials, designs, and concepts. I can see a time coming where you will be able to choose and download house plans like you were buying something on iTunes. Customize them with a few clicks on the keyboard to just get exactly what you want. Then have a printer brought onto your site and fabricate the house. Additive manufacturing, as 3D printing is also called, has been around for 30 years. It is the quick piece of advances that have created the recent buzz and inspired some grandiose predictions. There is a vast and possibly unbridgeable gap between what can you make on highly sophisticated commercial 3D printers and what you can make on a home printer. The 3D printer works in much the same way as a desktop printer does. Instead of using ink, it prints. In plastic, wax, resin, wood, concrete, gold, titanium, carbon fiber, chocolate, and even living tissue. The jets of a 3D printed deposit materials layer by layer as liquids, pastes or powder. Some simply harden, while others are fused using heat or light. Technology is perfect for unlimited production runs, prototypes, or even one-time creations, like 1/3 scale model of 1964 Aston Martin that producers of the James Bond film Skyfall printed, then blew up in a scene. The 3D printer precision is making it possible to fabricate things never before made. A team of Harvard University researchers has printed living tissue interlaced with blood vessels, a crucial step toward one day transplanting human organs, printed from a patient's own cell. That's the ultimate goal of 3D bioprinter, says Jennifer Lewis, who lead the research. We are many years away from achieving this goal. Additive manufacturing is much slower than traditional manufacturing, but that could change. The highest cost The high cost of tooling up a factory has been a barrier to developing products, but now everyone The high cost of tooling of a factory has been long a barrier to developing products. But now, anyone with an idea and money could go into small-scale manufacturing using computer-aided designing software to create a three-dimensional drawing of an object and letting a commercial 3D printed firm to do the rest.